po tayo sa park na naman. Likapit. Oh, ang daming isda oh. Daming isda. Oh. Oh. Dito. Yan, dito kami ngayon sa anong pangalan nito? Buena.
Ito na alam yung pangalan.
Say hi.
Hi. Look, there's fish. All
Yeah.
of them are frozen.
Daming fish.
Ano ba yan? Fish? Koi fish ba yan?
Ay, Japanese fish ata yan eh.
What kind of fish is this?
Japanese.
Koi?
Japanese, takakoy. Yung Japanese koi.
May salmon.
Ayun oh.
Salmon, yung Pacific salmon.
Kasi,
Look at that red fish.
hmm.
That. A giant goldfish.
That's not red. What is that? It's like shining behind right here in the water.
Where?
Ano pala sa yung parang fish pan.
Fish pan talaga to.
Fish pan oh. Oh, pero ang linis. Ang luwang oh. Ano yun? Water lily. Ano yun? Yung damo ng dagat.
Oo. Diyan nakatira yung mga yan.
Mga isda.
Basta siguro may mga turtle dito at mga palaka.
Oo.
Hanapin natin yung children's park. Ay, yung fall. Yung waterfall.
Ah.
Restaurant sa loob.
Oo, yun. Daming tao.
Okay, wait down.
Someone dropped the box in there. What is that box?
What's that?
It's standing up.
Oh, somebody dropped it there. Somebody's garbage.